Yeah, but what about my epidemic? I killed millions of people.
Dude, you call that branding? No. Fauci, you suck at genocide.
Come on, man. AIDS killed way more people.
Listen, buddy, nobody cares about the sick shit you did in the Bronx. Everyone's all pissing their pants about your vaccine. Big fucking deal. Now, everyone thinks you're an evil scumbag.
But I killed all those beagles.
Well, that wasn't supposed to get out, dude. It's about the illusion. Nobody knows I'm the bad guy.
Well, what if people see through it and start asking questions?
You fudge the algorithm, deploy the fact checkers, and repeat the narrative.
So, logically, if people do their own research and figure out this is all a scam...
You're not getting it, Fauci. You're not getting it. Genocide isn't about openly killing people. It's about quietly diversifying your eugenics portfolio.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Do you have your own multi-billion-dollar NGO?
No, we just use the vaccines to kill people.
Listen, you have to fund your own charity, so you look like motherfucking Teresa while doing as much evil as possible. Then use corporate documents, liability shields, and get those tax breaks, baby! Come on, Fauci!
There's no way anyone's that stupid.
You get them addicted to brain rot and feed them rubber apples. Yeah, they're really that stupid.
You people are very sick.